How to get Sims 4 packs for free. You can legally get Sims 4 packs for free in 2025 through EA promotions, bundle deals, giveaways, and selected third party platforms, but there are no universal free codes for all platforms, so always avoid unofficial sources that promise free packs as they may be scams or violate EA terms. So, first would be through EA and urgent promotions. EA occasionally offers free packs during seasonal events, anniversaries, or game milestones. Check the EA app or Origin for limited time offers. And past examples include free giveaways of packs like Holiday Celebration Pack or Sims 4 Parenthood. Now, second would be bundle deals and Game Pass. So Xbox Game Pass Ultimate sometimes include EA Play, which may offer select Sims 4 packs at no extra cost. And second would be PlayStation Plus. PlayStation Plus may also feature Sims 4 bundles during promotional period. These offers vary by region and subscription level. EA also runs free trial weekends where expansion packs are unlocked temporarily. These are great for trying packs before buying and sometimes include discounts afterward. So the last option that you have is to join community giveaways. Follow Sims creators on YouTube, Twitch, and Twitter. Many host giveaways sponsored by EA or other partners, and look for contests or sweepstakes with official backing. Now, here are the things that you need to avoid. Make sure to avoid free code generators or cracked downloads. These are illegal and can compromise your device. Unverified sellers offering cheap keys. These are often scams or stolen content. And modding sites claiming to unlock packs. This may violate EA's terms and risk your account. And that is how you can basically get Sims 4 packs for free.